अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ जावेद सेंटर में और जहाँ बहुत बड़ा इंटरनेशनल ब्यूटी शो है। ब्यूटिशियन जहाँ इकट्ठे हैं और उन्होंने अपने स्टॉल लगाए हुए हैं। मैं भी इस एक स्टॉल पर आई हूँ। जो लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं और आपकी स्किन टेस्ट करके उसके मुताबिक आपको फ्री फेशियल करते हैं। तो मैंने बोला फ्री हो रहा है तो क्यों ना फ़ायदा उठाया जाए। सबसे पहले तो उन्होंने मेरी स्किन टेस्ट की है और उन्होंने कहा कि आपकी स्किन बहुत ड्राई है। अब वो मेरी स्किन के मुताबिक फेशियल, उसके बाद ये जिसको कर रहे हैं मेरी टर्न आएगी। इस शो के सिलसिले में मैंने तफसील से एक वीडियो बनाई है और वो वीडियो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर मौजूद है। आप देखना चाहते हैं कि ब्यूटिशियन के पास क्या क्या नई चीज़ें आई हैं, क्या क्या नए उनके आइडियाज़ हैं और क्या क्या नई क्रीमें और फेशियल्स और दूसरी चीज़ें हैं मार्केट में, तो आप मेरा वो वीडियो ज़रूर देखें। और अगर आप ब्यूटिशियन हैं तो तब आपको उस वीडियो से बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी, क्योंकि मैंने हर चीज़ को वहाँ डिटेल में दिखा है। तकरीबन 1 घंटे की वीडियो है, तो आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर वो वीडियो ज़रूर देखें। सबसे पहले तो हेल्थ सेफ्टी और कोविड से रिलेटेड ये फॉर्म फिल किया मैंने।
I'll be in touch with you once we return to Florida, if you want. You too. Trying to protect your jacket.
Thank you.
And your hair too. But I'm going to cover you with a blanket. You're alright. So the water. That's fine. Cover your ears and everything. Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, my love. I'm just gonna gently. I have to get the gloves on and just get everything clean for you. So just give me a second.
Take your time.
Yeah. Now the mask is a little cool. That's why I was kind of wrapping you up. And just so you know, the skin temperature will be reduced to -6 degrees C. You're going to stay away from your eyes afterwards, but this will just cool your skin down.
Very nice and feeling very good.
I can just feel that you have a lot of heat in your skin, so I want to really cool you down a little. Perfect.
Really nice.
Okay, love. I'm just doing a light, gentle cleansing to prepare the skin prior to our 6 days treatment. And this 6 days treatment is called Skin Sensation. And you mentioned you are claustrophobic with the eyes and the mouth, so you can breathe when you do the mask, but I will avoid those areas for you.
Thank you. just feeling it, enjoying it.
Are you? That's
Yeah.
good. So this is just, a preparation step for this treatment, which is like a non-invasive mesotherapy. It's vitamins and minerals and vitamin C. non-invasive mesotherapy. It's kind of wrinkle filling, revitalizing, it's anti-aging, and it's also illuminating and brightening. Skin sensation. It's a multivitamin and multi-mineral cocktail. Suitable for all skins, all ages. It's great prior to a special occasion, or you could do a series. A mini series will be 1 a week, 4 weeks. Or you could do a longer series, perhaps if you had a special occasion, like a wedding or a reunion. Evenly distribute products and then start to focus a little more on the specific massage movements. My client does not have a lot of wrinkles. If there was more wrinkles, I would focus on more of a treatment with the movement specifically to focus, perhaps if they have expression lines.
有冇另外可唔可以分開佢啊？OK，有冇褲？要嚟。
Treatment, but on the edge of your, your contour of your opposite bone. treatment so you can relax. Welcome, my love. Look. Keep your eyes closed for me. It's a great treatment. Skin sensations. Did you want to? I'm right here. I'm not leaving you. So you feel good because you can breathe and you're, very important. Yeah. Is it a little cold for you or just having everything covered?
Perfect.
And if you're not happy, just wave at me. I'm right here though, I'm not leaving you. A little longer for setting.
Sure.
You know, once it's fully set, it comes off smoothly, and then I still have, you know, the step 6 to perform. This feeling, you can see that the mask is almost just lifting off your skin. That means it's ready. Releasing tension gently around the eye area. I'm getting ready to just release that surface tension and then I'll remove. We always usually do remove the mask from the forehead down in case we've covered the eye area, because you want to make sure, you know, if it's over the lashes that it removes in the correct direction. If it gets on any hair, don't worry, just releases. It just actually slides off. Just get you to pop the chin up a little for me. See how it just lifts. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it for you. Voila. You want to see what you look like?
Yeah. I just need it. I need it.
Just what you needed, my dear. Absolutely. So what I'm going to do is just take this disposable headband off you, and I'm going to put step 6 on. I just want to remove all that out from underneath. Okay. If there's any areas left, you know, I'm just going to wipe gently with some damp sponges to remove. Just wipes off. You have beautiful skin, my dear. It looks, feel quite different. Just pop your chin up for me. Does your skin feel good?
Really relaxing.
Good.
Refresh.
And I mean the colour of your skin is
Glowing.
even. You have a lovely glow now. Very nice. Just let me turn you to the side here. Check this by taking the edge. Just check the edges, because that's where probably a little left. There's a residual. Perfect. I just like to doubly check before I go to step 6. I'm going to give you the rest to take home with you too.
So once you know,
Where should I use it at the night time?
Yes, yes, if you can, tonight, and you might get some out for tomorrow as well in the morning. It's fabulous because it basically gives the skin the same message. You were quite dry, so where you are more alopecia and dry, this is really nice for your skin because you get a lovely glow. It improves the plumpness, it's wrinkle filling, and it improves the luminosity in the skin. Your skin really needed this, didn't it? It needed nourishment, hydration, remineralization, everything. You've got that lovely glow now. Everything is just absorbing into your skin.
Okay, I have face. Would you like to take a lunch from me?
So we're complete.
Thank
Thank you.
Okay.
That's lovely. Yes.
तो मेरा फेशियल हो गया और ये है वो मास्क जो उन्होंने मेरे फेस पे लगाया था और ये है मेरे फेस की सिचुएशन.
Yeah, no, you're
And she was behind this fantastic facial.
Thank you
The
so
lady,
much, my love.
I really
Thank you.
love it.